Hi guys, my name's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a cook and clean with me. Make sure and stick around until the end of the video where I will be showing you how to make a simple sheet pan dinner. This video is also in collaboration with my friend Melanie Wickland. She will be posting her own cleaning motivation as well as a different sheet pan dinner that's super quick and easy for weeknights. Melanie is also a working mom and makes really great videos that primarily show cleaning motivation. Once you're done watching my video, make sure and go show Melanie some love by subscribing to her channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name's Marissa. I want to welcome you. I post lifestyle videos here on YouTube, primarily cooking and cleaning motivation, but I do share parenting tips as well. I am a mother to 3 boys. My oldest son is 15 and my youngest is 2. So I have children in all stages currently and have learned a lot in the last 15 years of being a parent. I hope that my videos provide motivation to other parents to feel like they're not alone and that they can get it all done. Currently, I am working part-time from home, so 2 days a week I have my children with me all day while I'm also working. On this particular day, I had worked, and this is what my kids' room looks like when I'm done working for the day. I am trying not to micromanage them throughout the day and make sure that they're diligently picking up their toys and cleaning up after themselves. I'm just allowing them to play freely, and as long as they're not being disruptive or unkind to one another, I'm just letting them make a mess and I'm not worrying about it until I'm off work. It might be kind of hard to see, but that was me finding my youngest son's glasses. My 2-year-old son wears glasses, and most of the time he's really good about keeping them on, but periodically he will take them off and forget where he put them. If you have a young child that has worn glasses, give this video a thumbs up if you can relate with the struggle of them removing them and then you going on a wild goose hunt trying to figure out where a 2-year-old dropped their glasses. I'm just going to finish cleaning up their room before I move on to making dinner. I, at one point, had a pretty good system of toy organization. I had all of these bins. You can see they're throughout their room. I had all of these bins and they were categorized by toys. When it was set up like that, it was really easy to clean their room because I just knew exactly this bin is for Legos and this bin is for toy cars. That system has fallen apart since we have been home and they've been exclusively playing. My middle son is 6. He was in a full-day kindergarten prior to social distancing, but now that both kids are home and are actively playing in here, the organization doesn't really exist anymore, and I'm alright with that. We're just shoving toys in bins, and that's just gonna have to be fine for now. Because I have a German Shepherd, every cleaning video that I post involves vacuuming because that is something that I have to do at least once, sometimes multiple times throughout the day to stay on top of the dog hair. The final thing that I'm going to do in this room is just wipe down this toy caddy. I saw that on the bottom, my son had gone outside and he had a dirty footprint that was just on the bottom of this bookshelf, which is kind of gross. So I just decided to wipe it up and call it good. once I'm finished in their room, I'm just going to move on to preparing dinner. Making a really simple gumbo inspired sheet pan dinner. This is something that I've shown on my channel before, but I am switching it up a little bit. And that video was posted when I first started my channel, so I don't think very many people have actually seen it. I am starting by just slicing up some celery. On our sheet, we have sliced up celery, half of an onion, and half of a red bell pepper. Anytime I'm cutting up an onion, I will slice up the whole thing and then just save it, even if I only use half or a quarter, whatever amount I'm using. I'm gonna chop up the whole onion and then save it in this onion saver. Next, we're gonna add half of a bag of cut okra. Sometimes this is kind of hard to find, at least in my area. I live in Oregon. Sometimes it's kind of hard to find okra, but I found this at Safeway in the frozen department. Add that on there. And then I'm gonna use some diced tomato. I take the broth out of these and strain it into a separate bowl. Just try to get most of the liquid out to make our sauce. Then I'm going to just take the can of diced tomatoes and sprinkle it all over our sheet pan. Next, we're gonna take some chicken sausage. I'm just using this sweet Italian chicken sausage that I got at Trader Joe's. But you could do andouille sausage, any chicken sausage that you have. Next, I'm gonna take just a package of frozen shrimp. You wanna use frozen shrimp when you're doing this or you'll overcook it. For our sauce, we're just going to use all of the liquid from the diced tomatoes, and I'm going to add some of this better than bouillon. I will add about a tablespoon of this into our tomato juice and mix it together. This is why every single one of my videos is a voiceover. I have an entire bloopers video just talking about how loud my house is all the time and how impossible it is to do anything where my audio is live. I'm going to add this garlic. My store doesn't have fresh garlic, so I'm just using this tube of sliced garlic. I'm going to just drizzle this sauce on the top of our sheet pan.
Finally, we're just going to season our sheet pan. I am using fresh cracked pepper, salt, and then I'm going to add a combination of herbs. On this particular day, I am doing parsley and oregano. If I had had time, I would have added that, but I'm out. I have also made this dish using fresh herbs, which also gives it a really nice flavor. I am adding garlic powder as well as crushed red pepper flakes. This is not something that I specifically measure out. I just try to evenly sprinkle it across the top of the dish until I feel like it looks like it's well seasoned. I then stick it into a 350-degree oven and let it cook for 40 minutes. Here is what your dish will look like when it's finished. On this particular day, I was serving it with homemade rolls. I have a separate video on my channel showing how I make these rolls that I will link in a card above. I will sometimes serve this over rice as well, so it's really good that way. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch my video today, and please don't forget to go check out Melanie's video. I will have her channel linked in the description box down below. If you haven't done so already, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face on the right side of your screen. I hope you all stay happy and healthy. Bye!